Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another tutorial for you guys. And in today's tutorial, I will be doing a two-strand twist on my baby girl, but with a twist. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you have seen pictures of this beautiful masterpiece of ours, and that it is a masterpiece. I really cannot wait to show you guys this tutorial, so let's jump right into it. So we're going to start off by cleansing my daughter's hair. So I'm going to take this TW Moisture Cleanse, and I'm just going to use this to thoroughly cleanse my daughter's hair. And I love using this product because you guys know my daughter is not a fan of washing her hair, and so this gives her a little bit more wiggle room in between shampoos because it cleanses the hair and scalp, it kills odors, and it leaves the hair feeling fresh and clean. It eliminates the itch without over drying the hair, and you could use it without water. And anything that means my daughter does not have to sit underneath the sink is good in her book. So we have been using this product, and all it calls for you to do is just to take a damp towel and just lightly rub the product through. And so I'm just going to take this damp towel and just gently rub the cleanser throughout her hair. Then I'm going to follow it up with some leave-in conditioners. So I'm going to take the TW Therapeutic Protective Mist and also their leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my daughter's scalp and locks. So the Therapeutic Protective Mist is great for soothing the scalp. You could use it as a daily conditioner for itchy scalp. You could use it for a comb out or detangling. So you could use this for many purposes. You do not have to have locks to use this product. Okay, I just want to put that out there. You do not need locks to use this product. So I'm going to continue to spray my daughter's hair with this product before styling because it does help detangle some of that new growth. You guys know it's been a while since her last retwist. But once I am done working that product through, I'm going to follow up with their leave-in conditioner. Again, just adding some more moisture into our hair. Now, once I am done with that, I'm going to, of course, retwist off camera just a little bit because you guys know I am big on saving some time. I do not want my videos to be super long, so I did retwist off camera, and of course I'm using my favorite lock-in gel to do this retwist. And I'm just going to add this product into her parts just to help separate that new growth. And to eliminate tears, we're going to use scissors to help separate some of those tangled locks. But I'm going to continue to take my comb and separate some of that new growth. Now I'm going to begin the retwist. So I went ahead and applied some of that lock-in gel onto the new growth, and I'm just going to comb it through. Once I'm done working the product through, I'm going to take my comb and begin retwisting the root. Once the new growth is secure, I'm going to do some lock smitting, mix with a couple of palm rolls, and boom, we got a nice retwisted lock. Now we can move on to the fun part. So I have this tinsel hair that I purchased from Amazon. It comes with these beautiful multicolored tinsels that you can add to your hair. And so I decided that I am going to give my daughter a two-strand twist, but with a twist. And so I'm going to take this multicolored tinsel, and I'm just going to begin wrapping this tinsel around her locks. Now, it did come with a crochet needle. I opted not to crochet this stuff into her hair because with this being my first time working with tinsel, I honestly didn't feel comfortable crocheting it into her locks. And so I did find an alternative way to install it. And you may also consider it a safer way to install it. And so I'm just going to take this tinsel and just simply create an X. And I'm going to take one side and just simply begin to wrap it around the lock. Then I'm going to take the other side and wrap it the opposite way. So just create this little swirl all the way down. And that's pretty much it. That's it. Once you reach the bottom, you just want to tie the ends into a knot. But make sure the knot is not too tight because, of course, you want to be able to remove this stuff. So make it secure, but not too secure, okay? You're not in the Boy Scouts, okay? But that is pretty much it. Please excuse my friend in the background. But yeah, we're just going to continue to wrap this tinsel around my daughter's beautiful locks. Once you have two locks wrapped in tinsel, you want to begin your two-strand twist. And please ignore that white stuff on my pants. I swear it is gel. I swear it really is just gel. But once you're done with your two-strand twist, you want to begin to cut off any of those little flyaways to make it look neat as possible. But that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is continue to wrap this tinsel around my daughter's locks, and I'll be right back.
Peace and love and R&B, our loving here. There must be some pink clouds in the atmosphere. Peace and love and R&B, our loving here.
Alrighty, so now that we are done with the tinsel, I just wanted to slow it down a little bit and show you guys how to do a two-strand twist, just in case you forgot how to do one. So of course you want to start off by creating an X, making sure that the right lock is overlapping the left one. It's very important that you remember that, because if you don't, your two-strand twist will unravel. So make sure you remember that. Once you're done with the twist, again, you want to remove some of those flyaways. Be careful that you do not cut your locks, okay? So be careful of that. But yes, you just want to make sure that you remove as many of those flyaways as you can. So this is what my daughter's hair looked like after we removed most of those flyaways, and it just came out great. I love the way this style turned out. So of course, we're going to set this style with some mousse. You could use any brand of mousse. It does not matter. Whatever you like to use it. But this style is so bomb. This is the perfect twist to the two-strand twist. I am loving how this look came out, and I love the results from the TW products as well. They really did cleanse and moisturized her hair to perfection. But you guys, I'm just going to sit her under the dryer for a few minutes, and boom, here we go. Look at that. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, I'm loving the way this style turned out. It turned out freaking beautiful. If you guys are interested in creating this style, please tag a girl, because you ain't never seen nothing like it. So I'm a know for sure. But yes, until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.